welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, and in this video I am going to talk about SFR Colors Watermelon Crush Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, these are like so affordable, so affordable. I got these for 250 rupees, but right now they are going for 225 rupees. Originally they are priced at 499, but I think generally they are always on discount. This was the first reason I got these palettes, because they were looking so colorful, so nice and so cute and pretty, everything, that I had to buy these. And the color theme also looked really bold and really colorful. These shades were looking more darker on that photo, but right now they are not that dark, but they are not that bad as well. And it's made of cardboard, and this has a little magnetic kind of packaging. I love that. And it also comes with a mirror, and they also have like little names for each of their shades. I love that part as well. So they have 1 2 3 4 5 matte shade. This one is also matte, but it has a little bit of sheen to it. It's not completely matte and not completely metallic, which is something different. 1 2 3, these are kind of metallic shade, but they have little bit of shimmer. I have created this eye look using this, and let me be honest with you, I recorded this video before and my mic was not on, so I have to re-record it again. The footage where I created this look, I'm not gonna record that again. I'll just put those clips here that you can see. That pigmentation are really good. There is not a lot of fallout, very little amount of fallout, but there is little kickback, and they look little powdery, but it's not that bad, and they do not fall out that much. And the shimmer shades, they do not work well with the brushes, but they work great with the fingers. Yeah, so I think overall I'm liking the pigment and I'm liking the color. And the color scheme and everything, the packaging also looks really nice. Not that this is everything about an eyeshadow, but also the actual product is really good too. But at the same time, you are getting a mirror, you are getting nice packaging. This is cardboard, the magnetic flip, and this looks so colorful and pretty. I'm just loving this palette. Maybe I'm gonna try different products from them as well. And yeah, so I think that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also the bell icon next to it, so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.